Here I am. I'm at McCullough Lake. And I'm going to take my new yellow boat out for a run on the lake. I haven't canoed this boat before, so I'm gonna spend a little time on it. But it's the windiest day ever, so probably not going far from shore. And here comes a wet dog. The boat's fast. I like it a lot. Take two. It is the evening, as you can see behind me. It's gorgeous out now. There's the boat. Absolutely gorgeous sunset back there. Trial 3 this time, hoping to go up the river. As a kid, there was a dock back here. Not much left now. Always wanted to go past this bridge. Maybe this summer when it's not so cold and I can line the boat up the bridge. 25 years ago, I built a little plywood canoe. And I used to come into these woods all the time. Follow these little channels. They get narrower and narrower. Sometimes I get myself in these little channels and they just end. It ought to be so shallow that the boat would be scraping the bottom, stirring up mud. I'm back on the lake. All right, here we go. Adventure number 4, this time with 100% more Beth. Hi, Beth.
Hello.
The lake is still looking good, a little overcast, but perfect for canoeing right now because it's what we got. So here we go.